a mess. I'm a mess, people. That way. Okay.
I'm very excited to bring you into the trailer today and start to kind of walk you through what I'm going to be doing to convert it into my guest house. There is a bedroom, bathroom, vanity, living room, and kitchen, so we're going to have a lot to work with. We will be starting in the bedroom and then making our way over to the kitchen.
Hi, okay, master bedroom of the trailer. It is on the smaller side of things. I do want this to sleep people if needed comfortably too, I'm imagining. There obviously is a ton of work, but the bones of it are phenomenal. I will not be changing the outside because I love the outside color. And again, I'm not looking for that like overwhelmingly trying to be an Airbnb feel. I'm gonna keep that all internally here. So I'm using this opportunity to kind of teleport my guests when they do come over because they're not in the desert all the time. So coming into something very bright, fun, and colorful, like rarely isn't as overwhelming as living in it. So I'm going to be using this opportunity and this entire space to bring that aesthetic to life. But in my house, it'll be completely different. It'll be very cool to compare the two. This used to be the mother's art studio. I'm not sure exactly how it was laid out. I'm very interested to see what we decide to do with it to make it functional for us. And I say us because me and my friends and I, you know, that's the whole reason I got this house. It is just our playhouse, and this specifically will really be our playhouse. I kind of am dedicating this entire trailer party zone to Miss Woodring because she deserves it. Now we're kind of getting to where it gets really fun. I know the bedroom's fun, I know this whole trailer is fun, but in particular, this functionality of this space is hands down one of my most favorite things about the trailer. First though, it is tradition to cheers the OG carpenters of the house. I did not do that before filming this, so. Cheers, thank you so much for this property and this opportunity. Let me continue the tour.
I am really happy that the trailer was here because I didn't realize how much you really do need 2 restrooms. So this will be a fun makeover to get this fully functioning again.
To your left, you have a vanity to get ready. To your right, you have a bathroom to do bathroom things. What's really cool is this opens up fully to an entire bathroom suite, if you will. Like that. Okay, how you doing? Or if you just wanted to have the master suite to get ready in this bathroom, you can close this door and then other people can stay in the living room, the kitchen, and what have you over there.
I love how the bathroom can fully open up and become a bit of a suite, and it doesn't feel so crammed like you're shoved into that small bathroom. But when you continue to walk through the hallway, it's gonna open up into the living room, and this is going to essentially be like the party lounge entertaining zone for the pool area, because now we have like a hot tub bar, and now we have a pool area bar.
I know I keep saying this is where things get fun, but I think this is really where my imagination was able to explode because I want to blow out that side and make that where the pool is going to be. But what we're standing in right now is the living room, I'm assuming dining room. There was no table here when I got it. And kitchen. It's clearly massive, so much room for so many activities that my brain short circuits when I'm in here. This is where I'm gonna be able to get to really play and get frisky with color. Kitchen area, dining area, tons of storage, just storage everywhere. And I don't even have that many things, so it makes me feel like I have less material goods, which is nice. This is where I'm thinking we come in, we open this up. We blow out this wall. We extend it, maybe a little bit of a glass lounge moment is what I'm thinking. But again, that is way down the line. I'm just excited to be able to switch back and forth my focus between structures because it really keeps my brain firing on all cylinders. You might recognize this. This is from my OG set when I lived at Mr. Paul Rodriguez's house and I was able to start my YouTube channel. So I think that might live in here as an accent piece. That's why I shoved it on in here. And then I really just want to make this very vibey, as the kids would say. This is the RV. There's only a couple of rooms and it's only one long sausage looking thing, but there are so many projects to go within it. I'm very excited, like I said, to start with the vanity though, because that is something that isn't going to be scary. It is more surface and it also will hopefully be something I like. And if I don't like it, at least I didn't like demolish the bathroom and then end up not liking it. It's just a vanity that is very quick to make over. So little toursy for you guys. Hope you enjoyed.
I want to take a quick second to say thank you and tell you a little bit more about today's sponsor, HelloFresh. HelloFresh makes living healthy easier with many low-cal, carb-smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options every week. Plus, they have so many recipes to choose from each week to help you break out of your recipe rut. You have heard me say this month by month, time and time again, but you can really save time and stress effortlessly. HelloFresh cuts out stressful meal planning and prepping so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in just about 30 minutes or even 20 minutes with their quick and easy options. If you guys are interested in making your life a little bit easier and spicing it up a bit, head over to HelloFresh.com and use code METS12 to get 12 free meals. Yes, 12 free meals, including free shipping. I really do love the fact that after a day such as this, coming into my fridge and not having to really think or pull dinner together, it is already there for me with 3 different options with HelloFresh every single week. It just makes my life that much easier, and that is the number one reason I'm a huge fan. Again, you want to head over to HelloFresh.com and use code METS12 to get 12 free meals, including free shipping. I've also linked it down below for you and pinned it in the first comment for you. You can see I'm thoroughly enjoying my toast that I told you I am obsessed with, but let's get back into this whole demo situation with the trailer. This is not the episode that I wanted to come back with. I wanted to continue the jacuzzi series, but I found out that I need to get massive electrical work done, and that's gonna take roughly a month. That inspired me to come over to the RV and demo it and gut it to look at the electrical there, rewire, get it fully ready to go. So then when the massive electrical work is done and it gets hooked up to it, everything is running smoothly. I'm just trying to work smarter. I know it's not the most exciting thing, but I just wanted to explain to you while we're kind of jumping around massive projects. I don't know how many rooms I have demoed now, taking out carpet, taking down the walls, but I've never done a trailer. And if you guys wanted to keep up with what is happening when I am not active on YouTube, since there's gonna be longer breaks since these are larger projects, you can head over to my Instagram. I'm gonna start to make highlight reels for every single project that we're tackling that you see here. Something that you guys may not know while we continue this demo is that I am designing everything based off of my friends. So I have 2 rooms besides my master in my house that are gonna be designed for Alex and Tanya. And then, as I mentioned before, this entire trailer is basically designated to Lindsay and I's best friendship. It's gonna be a huge reflection of living vibrantly, living fully yourself, and embracing your inner wild. A way for me to learn is to honestly take it apart or deconstruct. So it was nice to be able to come in here, take it down to the studs, see what the previous carpenter did. And I didn't even realize that there was new ply flooring on one side. And that made me feel way better about a plan that I was already thinking about doing for the flooring. It just kind of confirmed it. So that's also really fun about demo, is you learn from people's previous mistakes and their successes. My brain got so excited once I cleaned everything up and was able to just kind of sit and step and look around. I realized that because I am making this like the pool lounge area, there will be a surround deck. This thing is not moving. My brain fired off with the fact that I could really make this look like a house and it didn't have to feel like a trailer. I just wanted to completely teleport you, and just getting it to its bare bones made me so excited. Now I'm really going to bring you in to actually how lackluster it is when I design. So I like to sit directly in the space after I completely clean, demo, reno, whatever it is, or patch and paint it. I love sitting in the space and sketching it out. I just think you get a different feel for it. So that's what you see me doing here. Callie, what are you doing, my love? Hey, off. I didn't bring you in here to sniff the demo and eat it. It's not okay. Oh, do not even yawn because you're stressed out about me punishing you. Okay. And every time I draw this out, that flooring is open. So I'm just gonna gear it towards that, leave that open because it's really not that big of a space. I'm drawing it bigger than it is, you know? So the reason I like sitting in this space is I find myself when I just do a rough sketch on a whiteboard, it's really cool where your mind will go and it will automatically start to place furniture, and where it will not, I will sit in different areas of the space and sketch it numerous times because, as you can see here, I'm keeping one area of the floor no matter what clear. So clearly that's what my brain wants to do. By sketching it out roughly like this and getting it into my brain this way, then I can come and sit down and sketch it onto paper and kind of move forward with an actual plan. This just allows me to wrap my head around it.
And then we'll go sketch. Okay, hi. I'm exhausted, and on days like this is when I love to design. So Lindsay is about to be here in a second. I wanted to sketch out the design I had for the trailer, get her approval, and I know that sounds weird, but I really want it to be collaborative since it's like a representation of our friendship, which is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, sketch the basic layout in permanent marker, and then I do everything else in pencil because plans are always subject to change. You guys are gonna see me sketch, and then you'll probably see me and Miss Lindsay sitting and talking about like the fusibility of everything because she's really good with electrical, so that's really exciting. So the sketch is super simple. It's right here, but Miss Woodbrain's here. So we're gonna walk into the trailer. She hasn't seen it in person since I demoed the whole thing. And I'm gonna tell her my idea is this is the party pad designated. I told them this is basically our friendship, this guest house. So it's gonna be like a representation of our friendship.
Let's do it.
Okay, come with us. Honey, I'm home. Oh, you also haven't seen, I haven't shown you anything yet.
No. Damn, girl, you've been working.
But look, I'm not gonna show them, but look, that's my design test.
Oh,
So that's the design in the color. I'm not gonna show them.
it looks so,
What-
yeah.
yeah, do you like it?
It looks so good. The amount of work you've done in here is impressive.
So you walk in, it completely teleports you. Like you come in and you're just like, holy color. I originally had a DIY coffee table, but like there's no space, I don't think, for a coffee table over there. So that would be like the swoopy couch, like, hello? Okay, that way. And then the triangle right here, move the bar in. The artwork in between the windows over here, 2 chairs, and then really pretty cacti. Bedroom, half circle bed, a little bit of a storage moment right here, and then a table underneath the window and the door. So I don't even know what this episode is, guys, but I love you.
Hey YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
I don't kid when I say like Rachel is a handful. Get this overhead shot. Can you hold it there?
How is it stuck?
I don't know. I gotta get, I gotta get your hair out. Hang on.
Callie, hand me the phone.
How dare you? Who gave you the audacity? Oh, I did. I made you.
Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's episode. I do have a vlog still coming. I'm still doing that series with them. Just not a lot happened this month, so I apologize. We will be recapping that in April. Also, it is so good to say that we will be back to consistently uploading each week. I'm finally settled. I am finally just feeling home and good, which is just very exciting. So I will see you soon for another DIY.